This homemade cream shakes the cosmetics industry. It's awesome how it removes stains. Everything that happens in our skin is too visible so that we do nothing for it. Stains are very common because they can appear for a variety of reasons. The good news is that there are homemade and natural alternatives to remove stains from the face. This homemade cream made from parsley and lemon leaves or apple cider vinegar will help whiten the skin and cleanse your face from dark spots and freckles and give your skin that healthy look. It is used as a cure for fever, kidney disease, urinary tract disease, diabetes, inflammation of the eyes, and even impotence. In cosmetics, parsley has always been known for bleach and regenerative properties. It perfectly eliminates redness, irritation and swelling, whitens the skin, refreshes and tone. It is excellent for eye contour care. Helps eliminate acne and pimples. Spots. This parsley lotion is easy to prepare and use daily for facial care. Ingredients: 3 spoonfuls of chopped parsley leaves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, 250 milliliters of water. Instructions: pour 200 milliliters boiling water over 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley leaves and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Pour into a glass container. Store in the refrigerator. How to use: use the lotion every morning and evening. This home lotion perfectly closes the pores on the face, cleans and whitens the skin. Thanks to the unique properties of parsley, it helps the disappearance of freckles and dark spots and the return of a clear and shiny complexion.